see flashing lights behind you, pause, because what you do next may make or break your case. The first thing you should do when you see flashing lights behind you is pause, take a breath, and pull over. Pull over somewhere safe, pull over somewhere legal. And you can put your hands on the steering wheel. The officer is going to come up, they're going to talk to you, and you should invoke your right to remain silent. Traffic stops are stressful situations for everybody, including the police officer. If you remain calm, it's going to help the police officer remain calm. And remaining calm is going to make sure that it goes well for everybody involved. You have the absolute right to refuse to consent to have your vehicle searched. And if an officer asks if they can search your vehicle, I suggest you immediately call an attorney like us here at the Nava Law Firm. If the police ask you to get out of your car, you must comply. It is a legal request. However, if you don't feel comfortable, you can ask them to have a supervisor arrive on scene. Plenty of clients invoke their right to remain silent, refuse to consent to a search of their vehicle, and were able to walk away free, as opposed to people who tried to talk their way out of something and ended up in custody that night. Understanding the law can take a dangerous traffic stop to something that is okay, because it's going to calm all parties down and it's going to make sure that you don't do something that places yourself in danger. Knowing that you can invoke your right to remain silent and ask to speak to an attorney is so much more important and so much better than trying to talk your way out of something or arguing with a police officer. Follow us at the Nava Law Firm for more tips and advice, because you don't want to learn the hard way.